Extinguishing a pendulum. There are times when you can't just avoid or ignore a pendulum. You're caught in it, and you have to deal with it. I had a friend, calm, kind-hearted, and incredibly strong. One night, we were riding the tram when we ran into a group of bullies. They were a destructive pendulum in full swing, feeding off each other's rage, convinced they were untouchable. They locked onto my friend, probably thinking his gentle face meant easy prey. They taunted him, insulted him, trying every way to provoke a reaction. But he stayed silent. He was trying to let the pendulum fall through, by not giving it his energy. I didn't step in either. I knew he wasn't afraid, but they pushed harder. Eventually, he'd had enough. He got up to leave. One of the bullies, the boldest, blocked his path. Then it happened. My friend grabbed him by the neck and delivered a single, brutal blow. In an instant, the guy's face was a bloody mess. The rest stood frozen, stunned by what they'd just seen. My friend turned to the next one. He stammered, trembling, "That's enough, man, don't." Just like that, the energy was gone. The pendulum was extinguished. They backed away, then scattered off the tram in silence. Now, not everyone can defend themselves like that. So what do you do if you can't fight and can't escape? You break the script, do something unexpected. Someone once told me about a guy cornered by a gang. Instead of cowering, he walked straight up to their leader, eyes wide, grinning like a madman. He asked, "So, what should I break? Your nose or your jaw?" Then he shouted, "Or maybe I'll tear your ear off," and grabbed his ear. The gang leader cried out in pain and panic. Their little drama, completely ruined. All they saw now was a crazy guy, not a victim. They let him go. He walked away, without a scratch. You see, when you break the expected pattern, when you act out of sync with the pendulum, you throw it off rhythm. But here's the thing, don't try this with people who have nothing to lose. If someone's robbing you, if they're desperate or unstable, give them what they want. Your life is worth far more. You wouldn't argue with a rabid dog. You don't reason with madness. Sometimes, walking away is the strongest move of all.
There's another way to extinguish a pendulum, one that doesn't involve confrontation, surprises, or absurdity. It's subtle, it's internal, and it might be the most powerful of all. Let's say someone is bothering you, your boss, a stranger, even a loved one. Ask yourself, what does this person actually need right now? Not what they want from you, but what they lack. It could be peace, confidence, health. These three things, in some form, are what everyone is really chasing when they lash out, control others, or behave aggressively. So imagine them having what they need. Literally visualize it. If it's your boss, picture him resting at home, relaxed in his favorite chair, or laughing with friends, or maybe confidently leading a room, finally free from the fear of failing. Imagine him whole, at peace, satisfied. Do the same for a stranger who intimidates you. A robber might just want to feel safe, to feed a craving or escape his pain. Picture him fulfilled, not in danger, not dangerous. What you're doing here isn't magic, it's energetic empathy. You're interrupting the pendulum's swing by restoring its balance, not through confrontation, but by tuning into a different frequency entirely. That frequency of peace, of resolution, causes the pendulum to lose interest in conflict. And if you do this sincerely, even briefly, you might notice a strange thing. The person changes. Their energy softens. They don't know why, but something in them shifts. You've changed the field around them. What's more, the energy of that extinguished pendulum doesn't vanish. It returns to you, strengthened. Now you have more awareness, more mastery. Over time, you become better at catching pendulums before they hook into your energy. You stop getting swept into drama. You play your own game. And perhaps the most beautiful part? You don't just escape conflict. You heal a fragment of the field around you, simply by imagining someone getting what they really need.